morning, ladies and gentlemen. AbdulQadir Al-Zarooni from Emirates Urological Society. We are, our vision on Emirates Urological Society, to host events which is reflecting up to date in field of urology. This is the 13th year. This is the 13th of Emirates Urological Society conference in Dubai this year. We are really proud to have around 700 delegates from all over the world attended this event. This event, it was unique from type of lectures, state-of-art lectures which have been provided by American Association of Urology, European, Asian, Arabs, and all. And also, really, we want really to thank everyone shared in this success story. Without all support, we will never reach to what we had already reached. We are looking forward to see you again in our coming international conferences. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.